when we tested the DNA of Dr. Mamet Oz. Dr. Oz was raised a Muslim, but his haplogroup links him genetically to a very surprising cousin. When I conceived of this series, I wanted to find a Jewish person and a Muslim person and put them in the series and see how related genetically they were, just to see if the biblical story was true. Well, what's so wonderful is that we found that you share exactly the same paternal haplogroup with another one of our guests, Mike Nichols, who is, as you know, Russian Jew on one side of his family and a German Jew on the other side of the family. It's just like the biblical story, Abraham and Ishmael and Isaac. The genetic evidence and the biblical evidence that Jews and Muslims are descended from the same progenitor is true. Do you find it surprising that your DNA reveals this common ancestry between Jews and Muslims?
Yeah, I am surprised, actually. You know, this kind of information, to me, is world-changing. For Jews and Muslims to recognize how interrelated we really are, I have to admit to myself, and it takes some honesty to do this, but it's the truth, that the only thing separating us is how we think about things.
None of this is any more proof than you can see in Jerusalem. Remember that movie about little Jewish kids and little Arab kids? They had a Jewish kid and an Arab kid showing how they prepared for their holiday as their mothers had taught them. Saying they were the same. It was unbearable to see because we knew it, but you keep getting psyched out of the whole point, which is that we're the same.